Morning has started with the snow. We enjoyed our breakfast that actually was very cool, make it in Norwegian tradition. It's waffles that actually we brought a waffle iron with us, but it also was in the cabin that was really cool. And then actually we had really nice breakfast because we planned to go to mountains. So we needed to have a lot of good food that will keep us fat and not hungry for a long time. We served waffles together with brown cheese, that is very Norwegian style of eating waffles, with some sour cream and some jam, and of course a lot of coffee. So then we took a warm clothes on and went for the trip outside. And when we went outside, actually we understood that it was good to take with us warm clothes because it was snowing and it wasn't a sunny day at all. This is how cabin trip met us, and this is how we started our day. The first we went around the lake that we actually had as a view from our cabin. So we went on the other side of the lake and decided just to follow a path. So it was very, even though the weather looks really not good and it's so foggy and the snow became as rain and it wasn't, you could complain on that, but at that moment we felt it as a magic time. It was outstanding. You don't see it every day. The foggy mountains, they are so strong, they are so big, they make such interesting impression for us, and we were really amazed by what we see by the eyes, and that we could relax from the computers and just enjoy what we have in front of us. And by that time we actually didn't know that we are gonna get on the next day so sunny and beautiful day, and would be able to enjoy the whole variety of the weather and the views in this area. So then we saw these interesting signs with that looks really old, and then you see different views on the mountains. So we decided to hike a bit, and this is what was on the other side of the lake. As you can see, mountains really look wet and snowy and cold. But who cares when you see such views? This is just an amazing. Even though it's raining, it's still cool. And this is the place where you feel yourself and you give your emotions away like that.
Oh!
We were done. We were so exhausted and so happy at the same time. Such view, such trip. But we were hungry and we wanted to eat something special for that season. It called rockfisk that you eat. It's a very special fish that smells awful but tastes really good. You eat it together with the ingredients that you see on this picture. And then, after we had such a beautiful dinner, we were amazed by the view that we could see from our place. And the day we ended with the fireplace. I hope you enjoyed it as in the same way, or at least you felt that feeling that we had on our trip. And uh, if you like it, please subscribe, like the video, write your comments, and see you in the next video.